Hey, we hope you're doing fine. This is Remitano Learn, and in today's video, we are bringing you more information about the crypto world and other important knowledge that you might want to know about. We will review some cryptocurrencies that had increased their value in the current year. Discover how Bitcoin adoption is growing in South Africa. And do not miss our crypto tips to protect yourself from Bitcoin scams. Let's get started. At least 24 cryptocurrencies have doubled their price so far in 2023. Among the 100 cryptocurrencies with the largest market capitalization, at least 24 have already doubled in price in 2023. The increase in the prices of these coins is at least significant, going from 100.87% to 880%. All this happened in just 2 months. Isn't it incredible? Although it is hard to believe, it is the reality. The year started extremely well for these projects. This was reported by the CoinMarketCap position list. The cryptocurrency that leads the list is AGIX, which has grown 880% in just over a month and a half. The project is from the SingularityNet platform, focused on developing artificial intelligence that uses said token. In second place is Render token, RNDR, with an increase of more than 380%, reaching a price of $1.97. The top coin with the highest price is Binary X or BNX, which has grown 143.95% year to date and is priced at $169 per token. We also find the popular Solana, SOL, the 11th largest currency in the crypto market. SOL shot up 137% in the early stages of 2023. This startup is extremely promising for the cryptocurrency market, especially if we take into account how difficult it was for the sector in 2022. In addition to the currencies above, there are 4 others with a return of more than 90% so far this year. Bitcoin nurseries in South Africa want to encourage adoption. New Bitcoin (BTC) adoption projects are set up around the world in the form of citadels. Bitcoin Lake from Guatemala, Bitcoin Ecstasy in South Africa, Proya Bitcoin from Brazil and Bitcoin Beach from El Salvador are some of them. The leaders of these projects agreed to meet frequently to present their progress, in addition to building strategies to increase the levels of BTC adoption in their countries. In South Africa is the Bitcoin Citadel Ecstasy, on the outskirts of Mossel Bay. This project is already incentivizing nearby cities to create their own circulating economies in BTC. The South African project is in the hands of Herman Vivier, co-founder of the Citadel. He also pointed out that one of his current projects is Bitcoin Wits End, which is located in the same Western Cape province. This project shares with the people of Bitcoin Ubuntu the goal of creating a crypto economy in Swellendam. Herman also commented that there are similar projects scattered throughout Africa, especially in Ghana. Bitcoin Duo and Bitcoin Bright are being developed in the small country. Thus, it is thought that the largest currency in the crypto market is not only more used, but it can benefit the inhabitants of the regions. It really feels good to see how our influence is reaching out to other communities where there are people looking at us and saying, okay, let's try to do something similar. Increased adoption of Bitcoin will allow not only local economies to be nurtured, but also that the BTC ecosystem itself benefits, generating price increases and improvements in technology. How to avoid cryptocurrency scams. Cryptocurrencies offer hundreds of opportunities for technological and financial growth. But as a result of its growing fame, the crypto market attracted the eyes of hundreds of scammers. But don't worry, avoiding being scammed with cryptocurrencies is really easy. Even easier than avoiding the thousands of frauds that exist in the traditional financial market. First, it is important to note that most cryptocurrencies have transparent objectives and are widely auditable. To avoid investing in projects that end up being scams, you must invest them very well before. Seek to know many details of it, through information on the network and the white paper of the coin itself. If the white paper surprisingly matches that of some other token, it's probably fraudulent. It may also happen that, when copying another cryptocurrency, it does not have any significant growth. It is also important that you research the platforms you will be using. Scams involving exchanges, payment platforms, and backup wallets are not uncommon. To defraud, criminals use different methods. One of the most used is simply trying to deceive the victim in many ways. For this reason, we recommend that you check the veracity of any information that you consume within the market several times. Always look to compare with other sources and keep up with the news. To get your money, some scammers will try to copy popular web pages. These may be identical to the original ones, but scammers will not be able to use the same domain. We also recommend that you be wary of deceptive offers that sound too good. Although the crypto market is characterized by offering very high returns, these do not appear out of nowhere. So promises of extremely high income for a relatively small investment should cause mistrust. If something is too good to be true, it's because it literally isn't real. Deceptive offers often include phrases like 100% guaranteed, daily returns, no scam. These are precisely the offers that we should avoid. Now, it is equally important to safeguard your tokens once already acquired. That is why we recommend that you choose services, web pages and/or exchanges with high levels of security. It is essential not to leave your password stored on any digital device. The cloud is also not a good place for it, since if you fall victim to a hacker, they could steal your coins. Likewise, experts recommend keeping your tokens in physical wallets, since keeping them on the network, especially when they are very large amounts, can make you a target. Obviously, keeping your firewalls and antivirus active is essential. This will prevent hackers from taking control of your computer or phone and can steal your cryptos during the transactions they make. A common way to do that is by changing the shipping data during its introduction. Many times we do not exhaustively verify the address of the wallet or the email to which we will make the payment. If our device is hacked, that data can be modified very discreetly. What do you think of these tips? Did you find these recommendations useful? Give us a like and let us know in the comment box. Do not forget to follow us on our social networks and start trading quickly, easily, and safely with Remitano.